Assalamualaikum class 10. Hopefully you have celebrated 14 August and now I'm going to tell you about letter writing again. Today date is 15 August 2020. It's my 33 lectures and day is Saturday. We have started formal letter. In formal letter I had told you how to write a letter to the editor of some newspaper. So first letter I have done and it is my second letter. It is also formal letter. And we are going to write a letter to some higher authority, such as I have given you a letter. Write a letter to the chairman of your municipal committee about the unhealthy sanitary conditions of your locality. So you are going to write a letter to chairman of municipal committee of your area or of your city, and you will tell the unhealthy condition of your locality, यानी जो सफाई का निज़ाम जो है वो उसकी जो सूरत हाल है उसके बारे में आपने जो है डिस्कस करना है कि हाउ यू आर सफरिंग बिकॉज ऑफ गार्बेज, बिकॉज ऑफ रेन and there is no proper drainage system. So I write the letter to my own. If you try to write some more paragraphs or some more lines you want to add in this letter, you can add it, but it is just a sample so that you can understand how you will write a formal letter to some higher authority. See, you will write examination hall, city, colon, A dot B dot C and then dot 15th August, 2020. Then on next line you will write the chairman, municipal committee, comma. After chairman you will put comma. The will be capital, C will be capital. Same. Municipal, M will be capital and C will be capital. Municipal committee, comma, Rawalpindi. Full stop. Sir, I would like to draw your attention to the bad sanitary conditions of our locality. So you are directly telling him about the bad sanitary conditions of your locality. फॉर्मल लेटर में आप जो है अस्सलाम वालेकुम, हाउ आर यू, आई होप यू विल बी फाइन, वी डोंट राइट इट. It is informal letter. So if we are writing formal letter, we will directly start our subject, start the point on which we are writing a letter. हमने डायरेक्टली लिखना होता है कि हम किस पॉइंट पे या किस आइडिया के बारे में लिखना चाह रहे हैं. So सर के बाद मैंने डायरेक्टली स्टार्ट कर दिया. आई वुड लाइक टू ड्रा योर अटेंशन टू द बैड सैनिटरी कंडीशन ऑफ आवर लोकेलिटी. दैट इज़ द सब्जेक्ट ऑफ माई लेटर. सो आई इंट्रोड्यूस द सब्जेक्ट ऑफ द लेटर इन फर्स्ट लाइन. पहली ही लाइन में मैंने अपने जो लेटर का सब्जेक्ट है या थीम है उसको मैंने इंट्रोड्यूस करवा दिया या उसके बारे में मैंने लिख दिया है. Even since the rain have ceased falling, no proper attention has paid to the sanitation of our locality. So that is the point. I am going to make a complaint to him that no one is going to clean out our locality. There is no sanitary sanitation, or there is no cleanliness in our locality. यानी हमारी जो लोकेलिटी है, हमारे इलाके है, उसमें कोई भी सफाई का इंतज़ाम नहीं किया गया जब से बारिशें रुकी हैं. सीज्ड फॉलिंग यानी बारिशें जब से रुकी हैं तब से हमारे एरिया में जो सैनिटेशन है या सफाई का निज़ाम है वो बिल्कुल उस पर तवज्जो नहीं दी गई. एज़ इट इज़ आ नेगलेक्टेड लोकेलिटी. नेगलेक्टेड मीन्स जिसके बारे में सोचा ना गया हो, यानी जिसकी परवाह ना की गई हो. ऐसी लोकेलिटी है जिसके बारे में जो नेगलेक्टेड है या जिसके बारे में किसी ने तवज्जो नहीं दी. लेन्स एंड बाय लेन्स आर filled of heaps of garbage. लेन्स आर मीन स्ट्रीट्स, यानी जो गलियां हैं, गलियां जो है वो हीप्स ऑफ गार्बेज यानी कूड़ा है उससे भर चुकी हैं. डर्ट एंड फिल्थ इमिटिंग फाउल स्मेल्स एंड देयर आर बैड स्मेल्स ऑफ दिस गार्बेज स्पेलिंग ऑल ओवर द एरिया. इट हैज़ बिकम वेरी डिफ़िकल्ट टू पास थ्रू द स्ट्रीट. सो इट इज़ द condition of our locality that no one can pass in these streets. The recent rain has much damaged the streets and have caused depressions. Sewerage system is defected also. So sewerage system is also defected. Rainwater is still over there. There is no sewerage of any rainwater or any drainage system is not proper in my locality. The sweepers of the locality have neglected their duties, and also sweepers of this locality or this area is not coming. They are also neglecting their duties. स्वीपर्स भी अपनी ड्यूटीज़ नहीं कर रहे और ना ही वहाँ पर प्रॉपर ड्रेनेज सिस्टम है. जो रेन वाटर है वो अभी तक वहाँ स्ट्रिंग है. इसी तरह जो heaps of garbage जो है वो वहाँ है, smell है. All of this problem is due to the bad sanitary condition in our locality. I have pointed out all the things. If you want to add your own idea, you can add in your letter. The last line, the last paragraph. I therefore approach you with the request to take immediate action for the removal of garbage heaps up in streets. So that is the point. I have written this letter to the chairman of municipal committee that he should pay attention to clean out the streets and our locality. So yours sincerely, comma XYZ full stop. That is the letter I have written for the higher authority. It is a kind of formal letter. ये इनफॉर्मल लेटर नहीं है, ये फॉर्मल लेटर है. लेटर टू द एडिटर अगर आपको आ जाता है वो भी फॉर्मल लेटर होगा, और अगर किसी हायर अथॉरिटी को आपने लेटर लिखना है वो भी फॉर्मल लेटर में ही आएगा. सी, आई हैव गिवन योर होम टास्क. क्वेश्चन इज राइट अ लेटर टू द चेयरमैन ऑफ वापटा अबाउट शॉर्टेज ऑफ वाटर सप्लाई इन योर एरिया. सो वापटा इज water and power department, you know that. So if you have a shortage of water in your water supply in your area, you can write a letter to the chairman of WAPTA. सेम मेथड होगा, आपने द चेयरमैन, सी कैपिटल होगा, द कैपिटल होगा, वापटा कोमा रावलपिंडी फुल स्टॉप, यानी chairman of WAPTA in Rawalpindi. You are going to write a letter, then you have to point it out why you are writing the letter. You will directly tell him that you are writing a letter to draw his attention to the shortage of water in your locality, in your area, water supply in your area. Then you have point out what problems you are facing because of the shortage of water supply and how, and at the last you can give suggestions, and you can also make a request to solve your issue, solve your problem related to the shortage of water in your area. I hope you will be able to write this letter to your own. It will be your third letter. That is your home task. I hope all of you will be able to write a good letter. And if you are confused, just follow the format of this letter. You will write this letter also on your notebook, and then you will do homework or home task to write the third letter to your own. I love this class.